Okay, guys, yeah, good morning and welcome to another one. I have actually missed this analysis. I think for close to 2 weeks now, I have actually been away from my system. So due to that, I've been unable to actually roll out this analysis. So I am so glad to be back to this again. Like I've been dreaming of it all day, and here I am to roll out this all important, analysis to you guys. I don't know how many of you that have been actually waiting for this, but I am here and back. So let's take a quick dive into what we have in front of us. Now, before us today is a coin that actually has the potential of doing 5,000 to approximately 8,000% surge. Yeah, that sounds so, high up the roof, but from the analysis I'm about to give, you actually agree. That will actually leave you to either agree or to, disagree with my prediction of this coin before us at that USDT doing a 5,000, that's 50x to 80x in the medium to long term. So guys, follow me as I take a quick dive into the analysis into the coin that is before us this morning. So looking at ADA, you can see ADA has actually been doing well, you know, from history. Ada, has been doing well. The last was Ada moving from a low of 0.0062 USDT to about, 3 USDT. That was a monumental surge. So now, what is Ada about to do again? So looking at the chart before us, first things first, I'm going to, um, get my market structure, which is actually very important. So I'm first of all going to get my market structure. This market for real has actually been in a downtrend. Okay, let me do it like this so you can see it has actually been in a downtrend, coming like this, coming like this, don't know if you can see this. Then coming here, I think this was the point. Sorry. So coming, oh gosh, what is this? So coming here, this was actually the equilibrium point because here the market could not go lower. You can only see this weekend here. After which there was like an equilibrium here. Okay, like something like this. I don't know if I can get this well represented, like something like this. I don't know if you can see this. So there was actually a somewhat equilibrium here. Oh God, I don't know why. Sorry, I'm still trying to get used to this functionality. So there was actually an equilibrium here. Market kept downtrending, and getting to this point, it couldn't go lower again. The next thing is I seeing it going up, up, up. So now, what does the future hold for ADA, this very coin before us? So, first of all, I'm going to, since the market has been in a downtrend and there is a reversal at this point, is a reversal at this very point. Let me get this out. So I'm going to map out my demand zone or demand areas. Okay, let me make this very pronounced so you all can see. I don't know if you can see this. So I'm going to map out my demand area. So this is one. Okay, sorry. Trying to make this big so I can select this. Oh, what is happening? Okay, so this is my first demand zone, as you can see here. So this is a bullish engulfing. So price broke out, went up, came down, retested region. You can see this retest here, and still came and consolidated around the region, making this place a valid demand zone. I don't know if you can see this. So this has been mapped out. Now price now came here, consolidated in this area, and then there was another smart money move here. As you can see, there is a smart money move here because smart monies came here because this is actually a demand zone. Being a demand zone means there is a gross concentration of buyers at zone. Please get this very right. There is a gross concentration of buyers at this very zone. So for the zone to be a valid zone, there has to be a retest. Like I will always say, there has to be a retest. Like what you're seeing here, there was actually a retest here. I don't know if you can see this. So there was actually this retest here. Okay, then market tried to move up. There was no smart money entry yet. Get this very well. There was no smart money entry yet. So sellers, still kept on trying to sell the market or trying to sell the price down. Now here there was a smart money entry, and you have to get this principle. Anywhere there is a smart money entry, note this and note this so well. The smart monies, hedge funds and all of them, they will always come back for their money. So there was a smart money entry here just to, coerce the trading public into saying that, there is an abrupt price move. So because of this very entry here, what happened? The rest trading crowd came in and bought till the market went from a low of 0.23. You can see this, a low of 0.23, ended up buying the market to about 0.8. That is about 300% such. But that was about 300% such. Right? Thereby creating another demand zone at this very point. I don't know if you can see this. So now this price has lifted, lifted to this very high. Now watch what happens next. Let me make this low a bit so you can actually see what is playing out in this zone. Now, coming to this very point here, by virtue of this point being a demand zone, that means there is a gross concentration of buyers at this zone. Okay, there is a gross concentration of buyers at this zone, as you can see here. So coming here, a somewhat demand zone was created here, but the engulfing is not well pronounced. So because the engulfing was not well pronounced at this very reason, I'm going to tell you what was created here. Now watch this, guys. What was created here was actually what we call the fair value gap. Fair value gap. Now you have like three or so consecutive candles here, as you can actually see this. So I'm going to map out my fair value point. So This is it, and then this is it. So you check the first candle, green candle, the top of it, you map it out. Okay, let me actually take this out. Okay, so you can see this one. So the top of the first candle, you map it out as indicated by my first line here. Then you now come and then leaving the second, you now go to the third where there is now an entry into the second. If I extend this line, you'll see that this line has actually entered into the second. So this point here that you are seeing here is what we call the fair value gap. Oh, sorry, I may not really be able to do it. Is what we actually call the fair value point. So now look at what price did here. Price, went away from the fair value point and then came again to give a breaking action at this very point, as you can see, represented by the shooting star candle. So this area now has has actually been retested. So this inefficiency at this fair value point has actually been filled. So after this retest that you are actually seeing here, oh sorry, so after this retest you are actually seeing here, the next thing that we are expecting according to my prediction for ADAUSDT to do is for ADA to actually surge monumentally. I don't know if you can see this. Yes, this is my prediction. So the next we are going to see for ADA is a monumental surge as represented by this. So guys, I don't know if you can actually see this, but this is the next move for ADA. So now for those asking for entry, so in order to get a perfect entry, so ADA is actually going to search from this point. You get? So for those looking for a perfect entry, so for those looking for a perfect entry for ADA, as you can see here, okay, let me turn my 4 hour candle. Okay, sorry, let me mark it. Okay, so for those looking for a perfect entry for ADA, please, I want you to actually get this. So we look at points where there is a smart money entry and then we draw a line. So as you can see here, the perfect entry for ADA is actually at this present price, as you can see here. So for those seeking to make a is 5,000 to 7,000% surge on a crypto coin, ADA is here for you. So I want you all to get into ADA at this current price and then ride with the move to the targeted point. I don't know if that is understood. So for those seeking for a crypto coin to actually, make a buy up and stuff. So please, I implore you all to get into ADA because ADA is actually a good buy currently. So guys, don't sleep on this. Get on ADA today and let's make a kill together. So to actually get the perfect entry and then the perfect exit or the profit target on this particular coin in front of us, please visit the description section of this very analysis and you are going to get the perfect entry and then the perfect exit for this very crypto coin. So guys, Don't forget to click on the like button in front of you. Don't also forget to click on the subscribe button so you can actually be amongst the first to, to actually get a notification of a subsequent analysis. And for those still interested in checking out my other crypto coins and stocks, please don't fail to visit my channel, that is Crypto Wiz on YouTube, and you're going to get amazing analysis of both crypto coins and stocks, American stocks, to actually, make a kill on. So guys, like I said before, don't fail to click on the like button. Don't fail to subscribe to this very the Crypto Wiz channel. Don't also forget to drop your comment in the comment section. Let's make this engaging, guys. Let's make this very engaging. And don't also forget to click on the share button in front of you so that others out there can also be opportunity, to actually, also be exposed to this very material that is in front of you that I keep rolling out for free at just no cost. So guys, click on that like button, click on the subscribe button, click on the share button, and then drop your comment on the comment section. And then one last thing, don't forget to stay on even as I bring you another very important crypto coin analysis. So guys, watch out for the next video and bye for now.